To set a specific app to always use mobile data connection in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon, tap connection, and then tap data usage, tap mobile data only apps, and then select the required apps. As the sample, we will select Spotify app. Tap the gray on option next to Spotify app. When the switch turns blue, it means that Spotify app will always use mobile data even when your phone is connected to a Wi-Fi network. As a note, when you change the setting, you need to manually close and reopen the app for the new setting to take effect. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.